Hello everyone, I was trying to actually work on the registration page, student registration page, but I was actually getting so many error in this page. So here I will just solve these problems. And first let's see what error we are getting after seeing the error message. So here the notice says that undefined variable var1 in navigation bar page. So that means we're actually getting this error in our navigation bar page. As you can see, all these other things too. So undefined index peak and login user, these are our session variable and some other variable that we have used to actually run our query and fetch some data from our database. And all these things actually based on the condition where the student has to actually log in first. And as we have actually added our registration page inside the student and admin side, so a student will register before they actually log in. So that is why we are getting this error. As you can see, this is the condition for that is checking if the student is logged in or not. So the condition actually ends there for only those lines. So we need to actually remove this semicolon, second bracket from here, and then we will add it after all this code, so that all of this will actually be inside a condition where all this navigation bar will actually show whenever the student is logged in. And if the student is not logged in, they will only see some particular navigation on the navigation bar. So as you can see, now we cannot actually see anything on the navigation bar. Here some blank space is in it in the bottom of this page. So after this we will add some else condition so that we see something inside our navigation bar when the student is not logged in. So after this, here inside this else condition, we are going to add some common navigation. So let me just copy it from the if condition. Here also we have add some common navigation like home page, books and feedback page. So here we are just going to copy this part and paste it inside this else condition. But as you can see that this is actually our HTML code, so we are going to end our PHP after that second bracket and then write our code, then start our PHP again. Okay, now save this again and close the tags. Here the div tag and the nav tag will be ended here. You can actually check or easily done this by adding a opening bracket and then press a slash. It will automatically fulfill the tag that need to be closed. And here we are getting an error, unexpected end of file. This actually happens if some of the tag are not closed properly, or if the PHP tag is not written completely. And sometimes it is actually happens when the brackets or parentheses are not balanced. So let me just check if they are balanced or not. Okay, they are actually balanced, but we are getting the error. Sometimes we get this error actually by mistake. So if that happens, all we can do is we can actually check for the tag like this. Okay, the tags are also completed, so I will just remove that parenthesis and then add again. But let me check if all these things are actually balanced or not. Okay, so everything is balanced, so I'll just remove this, save this and then run it. Now I'm just going to add the second bracket again. Okay, now this time again save this page and refresh. Okay, so we were getting the wrong error previously. This is actually because of our local server that we are using. This sometimes creates some problem. And then after this we can actually add some navigation on the right side also, because when the student are actually inside the registration page, we can show them login option and sign up option. And that is actually, we have already done this inside our navigation page on the library folder, not inside the student folder or the admin folder. Inside the library folder we have both these conditions. So here you go, we are going to copy this part for the login and the registration page or login or sign up, and then we are going to paste it after this ul tag right before the div tag ends. Okay, so now we are going to save this and we don't need to do anything else. Okay, now let me just refresh the page and you can see we are actually here. Now let me check if they work properly or not. Okay, if we click on login page, this is actually taking us to library, then student, then login page, but we have our common login page outside the student side. So here we need to actually give them the directory dot dot and then slash. Now they will take us to the library folder, not inside the student folder, and registration page actually inside this student folder, so we don't need to do anything else. There you go. If we click on sign up page, it is okay. If we click on login page, we are actually outside the student side page inside the library page, and here we can actually go to sign up page again, and you can see there is no error anymore.